My name is Iman Mehramiz. I'm from Tucson, Arizona, and my job is YD Process Technician.
My name's Alexander Spinner. I grew up in Phoenix, Arizona, and my job title is Process Technician.
My name is Dominic. I am a process technician for the metrology department.
So what TSMC does is we make wafers that are requested by our customers, which then they use to build their products. Everyday things like phones, cars, computers, everything that people use daily. A wafer is, one way that someone described it to me is think of it like a CD without the hole in the middle. What my main job is handling one single tool by myself. And what the tool does is it'll automatically put the wafers inside and it'll review different spots which it thinks there might be a defect. And if it's below our standard, that's when we inform our engineers and they'll look at which tool may have caused this issue.
I'm a metrology process technician. Metrology is just the science of measuring things.
We make sure that they're actually the shape that they need to be. It's like making Legos, Legos are like the same shape every single time. My department essentially would make sure that we take measurements kind of randomly throughout the process of making Legos, and we just make sure that it's like the same shape every single time. Day to day, it's just checking up on our equipment, making sure that it's running fine, or if we need to go troubleshoot something, or just letting our equipment team know and engineers know, hey, this issue came up.
Every single department will go through a metrology tool, but the important part is understanding that we're doing this in really small localized areas because we're trying to capture images of stuff, our entire field of view, the entire site of the picture might be the width of 2 or 3 human hairs.
That I've always wanted to be a part of something bigger than myself and be a part of a team that's working on building something that's changing the world. And I think TSMC is definitely a company that's always on the front line when it comes to building the next best chip. So when I first looked at TSMC, I was definitely intimidated because it is such cutting edge technology and they're doing such futuristic things that I thought there's no way I'd be able to fit in, even though I had no background in semiconductor. I felt really welcomed being with people that are really experienced in the industry and the way that they were able to really simplify things down for me and explain it.
Recently, I went to visit a doctor just for a regular checkup, and I was like, wow, the place I work at makes products for everything in here, essentially. And there's a sense of pride. They have a great learning system here. When you get hired on, you get assigned a buddy who will walk you through the kind of day-to-day of the system. Sometimes things won't go according to plan, so you need to be able to kind of think on the fly, think on your feet. It's a great company to work for. There's a lot of great opportunities to grow here and to learn more. There's always a place for you to shine, so they always try to help their employees grow and learn and stay with them.
It's a job that I definitely recommend to anyone I meet, and I think that has the potential and willingness to want to learn more and do more, because it's not, I won't say it's necessarily easy, but if you do love to challenge yourself and want to do something bigger, this company definitely offers you that.
We are one of the fastest growing sectors right now. With the advent of AI and everything else, we are who produces the stuff that let them do their job. So there is a lot of need for personnel, which means there's a lot of growth for opportunity. And opportunities are important. This is one of the places that you can get a lot of them.
So what are you waiting for? We welcome you to join us in changing the world one chip at a time. Text TSMC to 52345 for information on how to take the first step towards your new career, or email us at azcareers@tsmc.com.